In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Notion on Windows, step by step, so you'll be able to have this powerful tool right at your fingertips. Notion is an incredible platform that helps you organize and manage everything from notes and to-dos to entire projects and wikis all in one place. Plus, having it on your Windows device makes it even more convenient. So, let's dive into the process of getting Notion ready for you to use on your computer. First, you'll want to head over to your favorite web browser. Once you have it open, type in notion.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to Notion's homepage, which is your gateway to accessing this versatile tool. On the homepage, you'll notice several options. But for now, what you're looking for is the option to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. Don't worry if you're new to Notion. Signing up is a quick and straightforward process. Simply provide the necessary details and follow the prompts. Once you're signed up and logged in, it's time to move to the next step, which involves downloading the Notion app. This step is important because having the desktop app means you can access your projects and notes directly without having to go through a web browser every time, saving you time and keeping you organized more efficiently. On the left side of the interface, you'll find several options. One of them will be related to downloading applications. Click on this to proceed. Now, look for the option that says Download App. It might be highlighted or in a noticeable area to make it easy to find. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a download page where the application files are available for different types of operating systems. We are focusing on downloading for Windows, so ensure you select the appropriate option, typically labeled as Download for Windows. Click on it, and the downloading process should begin. Finally, once the download is complete, open the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Notion. It's quite straightforward. Just a matter of clicking Next a few times and selecting where you want the app installed, though the default location is usually perfectly fine. Before you know it, you'll have Notion set up and ready to use on your Windows computer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully downloaded and installed Notion on your Windows device. Now, you can start organizing your notes, tasks, and projects more efficiently than ever before. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're excited to explore everything that Notion has to offer. Enjoy and happy organizing!